good, Baba. Rap fist the beating. What doesn't kill you can only make you stronger. Chillaxa, relaxa, Baba. Get off your high horse. This can knock you out, especially when you boast too much. And those who listen want it from the horse's mouth. They too loyal, may seem awkward to those who not even close. It's time to edita, a room full of rumors. I saw the yaba noctula. There can be boom on a business if you can mind this nyambela. But I send, I'm serving those who gave an order. Angishisonga ndlebe avenga bamnandi ngasesihlangane awubuke benza njani ayibona la abamfuna uhamba yedwa bakubamba ngesandla khetha upartner wakho isibaye sikhule singangolwandle anivula isibaye sikhule singangolwandle aqashula maketha ngobulelanga relax baba. I keep it local, then the focus on my vocal. Still not something ass kicking when I'm on that border. You only live once every single day. How possible is that? Got them niggas thinking they thinking how possible is that? I say it loud and proud, the mean I low. Got them dropping balls, spit flames, them little low. Who spits and